All right, welcome in everybody. Just wanted to take a minute to walk you through kind of what you should be thinking about as we approach registration here. Now, obviously, you guys are not new to registration. This is something I'm sure you've done many a times and are starting to feel a little bit better about. First thing I want you to do is I want you to, in your student handbook, I believe you've got a copy of this already, I want you to make sure you go to page 23. That's where the mathematics section is going to start, and that's where a lot of your questions can already be answered. Now, for you guys just are in pre-calculus right now. So as we look ahead, let's first go ahead and find that course. So coming over here to the other page, pre-calculus, A, B, and C, we can see it listed right up here. Now, you're going to have a couple of different options. If you're a senior, you definitely can probably stop watching this video because you're not going to be registering for classes next year at Maple Grove Senior High. You're going to be doing that at college. If you're a junior or a sophomore or somehow a freshman, this is going to be very important for you. So in pre-calculus here, after you've taken this course, there are two options for you to consider. One of them is to come over here and take calculus. So for those of you that have gone through pre-calculus, and if you've earned an A or a B and it's been going well for you, we have been preparing you for the course called calculus, right? That's why we call it pre-calculus. With that being said, if this has been a struggle for you and it has not gone as easy as it maybe has in the past, then calculus is possibly not the course that you want to consider. Instead, the other course that you're going to want to consider will be statistics. So you have statistics and calculus. Those are going to be your main two options to consider. Now, a couple of things I will say is if you already know that you're going to go to the University of Minnesota and this is what you want to get a degree in, you may very well know if you need to sit there and take a stats class already or a calculus course. In a lot of situations, you actually need to take both. So neither one of these two courses is going to hurt you, but in terms of your time at Maple Grove, let's just fit the time the best we can. So with that being said, again, I'll repeat. As we're wrapping up pre-calculus, you have two options. You can either go on and take calculus. This would be the calculus you'd want to take, A, B, or C, or A, B, and C, calculus A, B, C. Otherwise, the other option for you is to take stats, statistics, A, B, C. There is an AP stats as well. So you kind of have two different options in that department, but those would be the two courses that you should be considering. If you have any questions about this, please don't be afraid to reach out. Again, your two options are calculus and stats. Those would be the two classes I would be considering for you. If you have extenuating circumstances, please make sure you are reaching out to me about which is the right class, because signing up for a class like calculus and not being prepared for it will be a shock to the system. So it's very important that you guys are picking the appropriate class. And again, if you have questions about your individual situation, please just reach out and I'll be happy to help you out with that. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.